In this video, I'll focus on advanced options for reports. Several reports have additional options that tell QuickBooks which data to include in the report, and those are called advanced options. If you want to follow along, open the file called landworks_reports overview. Let's open a profit and loss by class report. Go to Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss by Class. If the working file doesn't show any data, go to the Dates menu and choose All. Okay, on to Advanced Options. Click Customize Report and click Advanced. These options for display rows specify which rows to include or exclude based on financial activity during the selected date range. So choose Active to include only rows that have some financial activity. This also includes rows with amounts of 0. Click All to include all rows, both those with and without financial activity. And choose Non-Zero to exclude rows with amounts of 0. These options display columns, specify which columns to include or exclude based on financial activity during the selected date range. So choose Active to include only columns that have some financial activity, and this also includes columns with amounts of 0. Choose All to include all columns, both those with and those without financial activity. And then choose Non-Zero if you want to exclude columns with amounts of 0. The reporting calendar specifies the month to use as the first month for the report. So you would choose fiscal year to base the report from the first month of your fiscal year. So for example, if your fiscal year starts in April and you choose first fiscal quarter from the date range menu on the report, QuickBooks shows the data from April, May, and June. Choose calendar year to start the year from January, and choose income tax year to start with the first month of your company's tax year. Let's open another report to see different advanced options. Let's go ahead and cancel this and cancel this. Go to Reports, Customers and Receivables, Customer Balance Detail. Let's click Customize Report and click Advanced. The Include options tell QuickBooks which accounts to use for the detailed transaction report, and choose All to include all accounts even if the account had no transaction activity during the date range for the report. And choose In Use to include only the accounts that had transaction activity during the date range of the report. The Open Balance Aging options tell QuickBooks how to determine a customer's balance in aging reports. Choose Current to show the customer's open balance as of today, including payments received through today's date. Choose Report Date to show the customer's open balance as of the ending date of the report. And this doesn't include payments received after the ending date of the report. Okay, that's it for advanced options. Let's click Cancel, Cancel, and close the reports. And no to memorizing.